hate them cats! I hate them! Turn this off, I break it! Turn this off! God damn, I thought there was some cats in the house! What's new once again? You! I'll show you what's new, motherfucker! I'll show you what the fuck is new! Turn it off! What?
Baby cat!
You one lucky goddamn bitch! Turn it off!
Alright.
You know what time it is? Do you know what time it is? Do you know how bad I hate cats?
3:25.
Man, goddamn, that would have been a 10. Please turn them goddamn meow meow meow.
Relax.
I hate cats. Call Peter. F you, bitch. You take them cats and stick off your goddamn vagina spot on that. Turn on. That's it. Turn it off. Turn that motherfucker. Man, goddamn, give me a motherfucker. Heart attack.
Wake
here.
up.
Goddamn, man, why you do that?
They're cute.
You know how bad I hate cats. I hate cats more than I hate Obama. And that's going a bit. Don't turn that motherfucker back. Cats, I hate cats. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow. Row, row, row. That's all them cats do, man.
Go to sleep.
All them goddamn cats do is lay around and go, meow, meow, meow. I hate cats. Take all them goddamn. That's it. Turn it. Stop. Stop. That's it. Stop. Don't make me get violent. I'll kill me some goddamn pussy. You need that motherfucker.
God!
Shut up, you're the goddamn cause of it all anyway. Break feeding them goddamn cats outside our motherfucking house. How I'm hanging around.
Well, they gotta eat too.
Well, I hate them.
Well, that's your problem.
Good night.
You got goddamn shot. Get out of my way. All I do, goddamn, you feed them. You feed them. You feed them. You fucking bitch. Quit feeding them fucking cats. You understand me?
Shut up and get out of here.
Damn, I can't go back to sleep now.